Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning the weather related terms in Korean language. So let's start. First comes the Korean word for season and that is 계절. 계절. Okay, now there are 4 seasons in South Korea. Summer, winter, spring and autumn. Okay, so let's see what are they called in Korean language. First comes the Korean word for summer and that is 여름. 여름. Okay, next is the Korean word for winter and that is 겨울. 겨울. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for spring and that is 봄. 봄. Okay, next comes the Korean word for autumn and that is 가을. 가을. Now let's see what is the Korean word for thunder and that is 천둥. 천둥. Alright, next comes the Korean word for lightning and that is 번개. 번개. Next comes the Korean word for heat wave that is generally observed during summer season. So that is 폭염. 폭염. Alright. Next is the Korean word for ice and that is 얼음. 얼음. Now the last one is the Korean word for hail and that is 우박. 우박. Okay, so today we learned 10 weather related Korean terms. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.